stressed a bitch one time. Worst mistake I ever made, cause when I came out the pussy, my pockets was still the same. You won't believe what your favorite rapper doing just for fame. I had to take the S, but swear I hate when niggas in my lane. Young nigga, energetic, kinda hard to stand still. Head so good, made me see like I was up for pill. I won't do the show no more if my name not on the bill, cause a lot of these promoters be janky as hell. Walk in, walk out, if it ain't cash, what it's about. Walk in, walk out, if it ain't cash, what it's about. Walk in, walk out, if it ain't cash, what it's about. Walk in, walk out, if it ain't. If you really want it, nigga, then you gotta grind for it. It ain't coming overnight, you gotta put in time for it. Niggas thought they knew my play, but I had to call it audible. Big fireballs, gas on the track is highly flammable. No more PayPal.
Hey everybody, how's it going? It's your boy Jovenel. Today's video, I'm gonna be giving you guys a tour of this garage that I might be getting for installing headliners into the car with Starlight. Sorry I haven't been on YouTube posting any videos up. I've been trying to, you know, make a business plan and whatnot in order to start this business up, installing headliners on the top. So I'm about to just give you guys a tour of the two-door garage that it's looking like a go.
Cash in advance, never save it, I just spend it as soon as it touch my hand. Call a bud man, I'll tell him I need a couple grams. Bring it backwards too, I got some extra money for him. Tell these niggas.
So, to first walk in, basic two-door. I'm really excited because this is a big opportunity that I always wanted my own shop. It's kind of messy right now because it hasn't been touched in years. I see the vision though. This is gonna be the spot where I'm gonna be installing the fiber optic light on the headliners that everybody been wanting. Sorry I haven't been getting to you guys, no information, but this is the plan right here. Opening up a shop so you guys could come, bring your car, leave it here for 4 or 5 days, and then, you know, come back very satisfied that installing your headliner. Tell me what you guys think about this shop. Is this a good move that I'm making? Let me know. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys the upstairs. To be honest, if I have this, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing upstairs. This is probably where all the parts are gonna go for the cars. All back here. This needs a little bit of fixing, but this is looking like the plan right here. Then probably back here, this is gonna be like the chill room, gaming, drink beers and all that stuff right here. So what you guys think? Let me know. So this is the first garage. Now I'm about to show you guys the next garage that we're going to, which is a couple minutes away from here. So if this business blows up like I want it to, I'm gonna see if I could have 2 shops, you know? So we're up to the next shop. Alright, so the next shop, we're just gonna, the gate is locked and we don't have the key, so we're just gonna go around it to see what it looks like from the outside. Big ass, yo, this would be a perfect, if we had this garage, this would be a perfect place to do car meets and shit. It is. Yo, this is a big ass spot. Nah, fuck it. Oh, it's open? You don't know what's been in there. This spot gonna need a whole lot of work. So this is the second shop. Where you get that first one? Oh, this shit empty though.
Empty.
This is gonna need so much fucking work. Yeah, we're probably gonna be good with the other shop because that's some shit that you gotta do from time to time. Yeah, this is gonna need
Yo, but that small shop.
yeah.